Wow, look guys. Wow, Sandy Thomas guys.
There! Hey, Sandy! Whoa! Sandy? Oh, hey, Carly. How are you?
Why do you have all this stuff?
It's all very important stuff.
Wow, Teo guys.
What's going on?
What's wrong?
I don't know! I can't stop the machine!
No. Shut down the system!
Shutting down the system.
Wow, Lani guys.
You're too busy to give her a
No, I'm stuck in a puddle!
Glad he didn't say anything but you.
I can't get out on my own! Excuse me!
Wow, Connor Thomas guys.
I thought the #1 engine was faster than that. That's all you got? Not even close. Here comes super speed! Woohoo! Come on, Thomas!
I can still win!
Wow, Toby Thomas guys.
Look at this cowbell I found! More like it found me! Ha!
I'm the one who found the cowbell, and how much have I gotten to play with it?
Wow, rogi guys.
Oh no!
Rogi, are you okay?
I'm okay.
Wow, Tito guys.
Oh, am I back to the present? Let's go to Choo-Choo Town and see! Yay!
Wow, this is Genie guys.
Goodbye, Teeny! Diesel!
Huh? Genie, I heard you couldn't get to the snowy mountains because it snowed too much.
Yes, but I can go there another time.
Wow, Eric guys.
Danny and Lift return to Choo-Choo Town early morning after their shift.
We're back!
Danny, Lift. Were you able to remove the tree?
Yes!
Wow, this is Loco guys.
Stay right there. Don't worry. I'll help you out.
Don't come here, it's too dangerous!
Don't worry.
Subscribe guys. Thanks. Wow, look guys. Wow, this is Diesel.
Huh? I actually have to cross it? But it looks so dangerous. But I guess nothing bad will happen. Let's go.
Wow, this is a mixer truck guys. Wow, this is a bulldozer truck guys. Wow, this is ambulance, guys. Wow, Nana, guys.
Ah! Hey, you scared me! Sorry, I didn't mean to scare you. But why are you standing here?
They're blocking my way.
Huh? What? Oh, you can ask them to move for you.
Wow, gani, guys.
This is fun!
Gani, what's wrong?
Earlier.
Subscribe, guys. Thanks. Wow, look, guys. Ford Bronco, guys. Wow, this is a road roller truck, guys. Wow, this is Harold, Thomas, guys.
Harold to Thomas and Percy. Howdy, fellas. Over.
Harold! Harold the helicopter? Wow, it's so cool to see you.
Roger that. Right back at you. Over.
First mate Percy, we're coming to a fork in the ocean.
Wow, this is excavator, guys. Wow, this is a mining truck, guys. Wow, this is a forklift truck, guys.